Clay Big Manufacturers 11493.
Well, I saw her last week and she looked really dreadful.
Excuse me, I'll just shut that door. Now, you were saying?
What I was trying to say was... Look, dear, would you mind if I tried something? Oh, dear. Why didn't you build him double brick?
Don't be caught with a lightweight substitute. Brick walls block noise.
$12.023 clay brick, 30 seconds. $12.023 clay brick, 30 seconds.
This property is well below the price other houses are sold for in the area recently.
But is it double brick?
Gardens are well established, carpets, window treatments, all included in the price.
But is it double brick?
Well, as a matter of fact, the property's been on the market for some time and the owner's fairly anxious to sell.
Sorry, we're not interested.
Don't be caught with a lightweight substitute. Double brick homes hold their value.